All right, I'm Matt Jordan here with Epos at InVision. I want to take a little bit of time to tell you all about our Expand portfolio. This is going to be our line of products. It's going to be for your UC environment. I'll start off with our largest video product right here. This is our Expand Vision 5. This is going to be for your rooms from 12 to 18 people, and that's going to be the maximum space that our brand is going to play in the video space. On the sides here, we have the Vision 1s. These are your personal use USB cameras, great for that worker that's on the go and needs to have high quality audio and video performance. Right behind that is the Expand Capture 5. Really awesome device that's able to pair with your team's environments and identify up to 10 different speakers at a time and give you that reliable transcript for your meetings. Outside of that, we do have a really attainable deal reg program, only have to be up to $5,000 worth of MSRP. And that's it. If you guys have any more questions, you can go to eposaudio.com or reach out to any of your reps. Thanks so much.